This video demonstrates the system overview and functionality of our journaling system, Patrika. Patrika is an intelligent electronic journaling system that provides Parkinson's patients with a simple and intuitive interface for recording their symptoms. Patrika is voice-enabled and can be accessed via Amazon Alexa. The system incorporates cooperative conversation principles, clinical interview simulations, and personalization to create a more effective and user-friendly journaling experience. There are three major components in our journaling system: the Natural Language Understanding or NLU module, the Response Generation module, and Journal module. The user initiates a conversation with Patrika. Patrika acknowledges the user input and asks them what they want to record. In this example, we assume that the user wants to record their tremor. When Patrika receives the user input, it passes it to the NLU module. The NLU module compares this input to the predefined list of intents. The intents align with our design consideration to understand medical terminology. The NLU module predicts the intent that best matches the user input, like tremor in this example. This follows Chrysan maxim of relation. The NLU module then passes the predicted intent to the Response Generation module. The Response Generation module first acknowledges the user input, following our design consideration and Chrysan maxims of quality, relation, and manner. The Response Generation module then iterates over a list of follow-up journal prompts and select a relevant journal prompt that hasn't been asked yet. This process of selecting relevant journal prompt aligns with our design consideration and adheres to Chrysan maxim of relation and manner. Next, the Response Generation module queries the journal module with the predicted intent and prompt to retrieve relevant user conversation history. The journal module retrieves a list of relevant user conversation history, following Chrysan maxim of relation, and passes it to the Response Generation module. The Response Generation module personalizes the journal prompt using the conversation history. In this example, the prompt includes details about the user's medication, which follows our design consideration. The Response Generation module then passes the personalized prompt to Patrika. The user then continues journaling their tremors with Patrika. We will now show an interaction between Patrika and a user. For privacy reasons, we use synthetic data created based on real journaling data and an actor to show system features and functionality.
Alexa, open my Parkinson's journal.
I am your Parkinson's journal. You can start by saying hi.
Hi.
Hello, John. Your journal is ready. What would you like to record?
I've been experiencing some stiffness in my back.
I am sorry to hear that you are experiencing stiffness in your back. Let me ask you a few questions to better understand your experience. Have you taken your medication on time today?
Yep, I have.
Acknowledged. When did you last take your medication?
At 10 in the morning.
Noted. Could you specify the exact area of your back where you're feeling stiffness?
It's near the spinal area.
Got it. How long did the stiffness last?
It lasts a few hours.
Acknowledged. Has the stiffness impacted your exercises or tasks today?
I was able to exercise, but it felt quite uncomfortable.
Got it. Thank you for journaling with me. Is there anything else that you would like to record now?
Yeah, I think I'll take a walk and see if that helps.
It's good to hear you're staying active. I have successfully recorded your response. Please say exit to close the conversation or say restart to start a new conversation.
Exit.